Hello, welcome back to Birdu.id channel. In today's video, we'll introduce the affiliate feature you can use on your website. With this affiliate program, your business members can become affiliates to promote your products simply by sharing links or discount coupons. This video will be divided into several parts. In this first part, we'll focus on activating the affiliate system. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the Birdu channel, click the like button below, and activate the notification bell. First, from your Birdu website's dashboard, go to Apps and search for the Affiliate Program app. Click Use and check this box to activate the affiliate program. We'll skip the query code and coupon code separator sections for now to avoid confusion, but we'll discuss them later. We shall keep this tab open for now. Now open a new tab and go to your Birdu website dashboard. Navigate to Customers. Since the affiliate program is already activated, you'll now see an affiliate menu here. Click it, then create a new affiliate program. Provide a name for this affiliate program. Then determine the active duration of this program starting from the first time the affiliate link or code is used by a buyer. For example, if you set it to 30 days, affiliates will only earn commissions from a buyer's purchases within 30 days from their initial purchase using the affiliate code. Any purchases made after 30 days will not earn commissions. Then, enter the payment threshold amount for affiliate commissions and select the settlement date. For now, we'll leave these two fields blank and discuss them further in another section. Next, let's set the commission conditions. Name your first condition, then specify the target for the commission. For example, if the target is every order at 10%, affiliates will receive a commission equal to 10% of the total product price minus any discounts. For instance, if a product costs $100 with a discount of $20, the final product price is $80. Thus, the affiliate earns 10% of $80, which equals $8. You can also add another condition. Name this second condition, and let's say the target is specific products, meaning commissions will only be given for certain products. Select the products accordingly. There are two commission types, flat and percentage. With flat, regardless of the product's price or variations, the commission remains fixed. If you select percentage, affiliates receive a commission based on a percentage of the original product price, excluding any discounts. For example, with a product priced at $100, regardless of discounts, affiliates earn 10% of $100, equating to $10. You can add more conditions as needed. If you wish to give different commission percentages for various products, simply create each condition accordingly. Alternatively, the target can be a specific catalog or product category, allowing all products within that category to become affiliate products. Remove any unnecessary conditions. It's important to note that if multiple conditions apply simultaneously, affiliates can receive multiple commissions. For example, if a buyer purchases a product via an affiliate link that meets multiple conditions, the affiliate might receive two commissions. First, they earn 10% from the discounted price. For example, 10% of $80 equals $8. Second, they earn an additional 10% based on the original price. 10% of $100 equals $10. Combined, these commissions total $18. Therefore, ensure your conditions are clear and avoid unnecessary overlaps unless intentionally designed that way. Click Save. Now, to set who can become affiliates, return to Customers. Make sure your prospective affiliates are already listed as customers with login access. If they're already listed, select the customer you'd like to make an affiliate and click Edit. Here, choose the affiliate program the customer can join. In this example, the affiliate program we created is named Affiliate Batch 1. If you have multiple affiliate programs, all will appear here. Assign a unique affiliate code for this particular customer. You can enter their bank account details and account holder's name here. Click Save. This completes the initial setup steps for the affiliate program. How to use affiliate links, view affiliate transactions, create affiliate coupon codes, and payout procedures will be covered in upcoming videos. Stay tuned for Part 2. Like this video, Leave your comments below and subscribe to the Beardo.id channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow Beardo's social media accounts for more exciting content. See you in the next video.